Welcome to this month's newsletter. Today is October 28th. Looking at the Nifty here, um, we are bullish at this point. Keep in mind we are quite a distance away from the Kijun, which will move up on its own in another 2 days. That'll be a big jump up. So, in other words, the support is going to jump up. Um, if we start moving higher, we could potentially have a Chicago breakout here, and obviously the next targets will be the highs. Keep in mind though that if you look at the weekly chart, we have a flat Kijun, which is only going to move if you break to new highs. So that's going to be trouble. If the bulls can keep up the pace, you're going to be stretched away from the Kijun, which acts like a magnet. So keep a watch on that. I wouldn't want to be too aggressively bullish, but definitely don't want to be bearish at this point. You want to be positioned bullish. Let's look at a few stocks. Tata Steel. Nothing there yet. Chicago bumping into these candles. You're entering the clouds, so no trade here. You should be able to look at the weekly charts on these, and weekly charts look good for a play up, but until you hit major resistances. But the daily is just not there yet. The Chicago is conflicting with these candles. If I look at Reliance. Going to new all-time highs at this point, I guess. A nice Chicago breakout, all bullish, but stretched out from the Kijun at this point. So if you are already holding this stock, I would definitely take some profits with a close below the Tenkan, and you definitely don't want to see it closing below the Kijun. ICICI Bank, very nice chart. Good move, good breakout. You can continue holding this one. Again, you don't want to see it. You can take partial profits closing below the Tenkan, and then no trade, no shouldn't be closing below the Kijun. LNT, nothing there yet. Kijun is going, Chicago is going to be into these candles. I would not want to trade this long or short at this point until the picture is much clearer. Hindustan Unilever also had a nice chart, but it is stretched out from the Kijun. I would take some profits, especially with that couple of dojis up here after a big move up. So this is the time to take some profits. Somebody asked about Dabur. Dabur, nothing there yet. It's a bullish chart on the daily as well as the weekly. Weekly looks good. Weekly is looking good. It is bumping against all-time highs, but nothing wrong there. And let's look at one more. Infosys. Infosys did have some bad news. At this point, I would not want to be buying yet. I'll need to see some bottoming action before buying Infosys. And let's look at TCS. TCS is below the Kumo at this point. It is bearish candles, Chicago bumping into candles. It's coming off a nice belt hold signal here. However, at this point, it is stretched out. I would rather buy it near support if you have to buy it. There's plenty of other stocks that look good compared to this one. That'll be it.